How to turn Claude AI into a 50,000 rupees by month writing business. What if every hour of writing you did was worth 2,000 rupees instead of 200 rupees? That's exactly what happens when you combine Claude AI with the right freelancing strategy. I'm going to show you the exact system. The core idea. Claude writes at a level that rivals professionals. Most clients can't tell the difference. You charge professional rates. Claude does 80% of the work. You do quality control, client communication and delivery. Step 1. PICK your WRIT nick. Blog posts for SaaS companies pay 2,000 rupees, 5,000 per post. Product descriptions for e-commerce pay 200 rupees, 500 per item. Email sequences for coaches pay 3,000 rupees, 8,000 per sequence. LinkedIn ghostwriting pays 5,000 rupees, 15,000 per month per client. Start with one niche only. Step 2. Build your portfolio in a day. Ask Claude to write 5 samples in a chosen niche. Format them professionally in Google Docs. Add your name. That's your portfolio. Takes 3 hours maximum. Step 3. Get clients without cold calling. Post in LinkedIn groups, Reddit communities and Facebook groups for business owners. Offer one free sample. Convert curious people into paying clients. First 5 clients at 500 rupees each for testimonials. Then raise to 2,000 rupees. Then 5,000 rupees. Then 5,000 rupees. Step 4. Systematize for scale. Create a prompt template for every service you offer. A client sends brief. You paste into Claude. You edit for 15 minutes. You deliver 3 clients a day is 6,000 rupees a day at mid-tier pricing. That's 1,80,000 rupees a month. Call to action. One niche, one portfolio, one platform. Comment your niche below and I'll give you the exact Claude prompt to write your first sample. Subscribe for more systems like this every week.